Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So I have a Samsung A31. Is have a Google account, whatever you say FRP. So let's fix in 5 minutes. So I will teach you. It take time 8 minutes. Maximum is take 8 minutes, 9 minutes. Just that's it. No more than 9 minutes. So because I'm telling you how you do. So that's why it take 9 minutes. So otherwise it take 5 minutes, more than less than 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes. So let's do it next. So let's see next is a heavy Samsung A21 s whatever, I don't know. So any Samsung you have, a like Samsung A22, A32, A31, A30, A1s, is 11, Android 11, Android 10, and Android 12. Even you can do with this trick. So just watch and wait. So now you can see here is asking for a pin, but I don't know pin. So next go is ask for a Google account. So now you are sure is my phone is locked with a Google account, because I want to make sure you, because you don't think I did. I can skip these parts, but problem is that you can think, people can think is I'm just making a, trying to make fool people, but I'm not trying a. So because you can see here this device is reset blah blah blah, so I can't go next. So how we do fix in 5 minute job? So it's totally 5 minutes. So let's go on computer. So now computer on, you can download what I'm going to download, that software. So this is a website, same FW. So you can click here, it's going to download. After download you can see here the same FRP. So after download, so let me tell you, you go on your laptop, defenders, whatever you have a defender, search defender. Okay, so you have to turn off your defender, must turn off your defender. So let's go on defender, manage setting. I have a window 10, so I can manage setting. So here is real time protection. So you can see here is off. Okay, now we go on here, you can see is off. Okay, now what we do, already I extract my software. So here is, so when, so here is okay. So now you can see go on data. Okay, I already done with my drivers. Okay, so you have to install your driver, 64-bit whatever you have it. So you have to install your driver. You can see here 64 is here, 64 is here, 86 here. So 32-bit is you need to download. So it's easy, you can download Samsung 32-bit driver. So whatever you have it. So let me go on driver. So now you can see, go back. So we have to turn on, open it. So it's very easy, you can see here it's not even take. So you can download very easily here from here. Is you can, website is the same, fw.com. Okay, so now we go on we don't know. Okay, open it. Okay, let me go on. Let me put here. Okay, so what we do, connect your phone with the computer. One thing, like now is my phone is not connected. You see, when you connect your phone is not coming here is a model number or something. So you need to install your drivers, and then you have to restart your laptop, PC, whatever you have it. So then you can, like, now I'm connecting. Let me show you now I'm connecting. So you can see here now my laptop is connected, so it will be here. You can see here, you see Samsung Bell USB modem. So now what we do, click on we have to click here star hash 0 star hash. So we have to click on here, then we click on remove FRP. Okay, so you see it's saying failed, reading failed. Okay, now what we do, simply, you see is asking for is saying go to emergency dialer, enter let's go on back. Okay, so now we have to click on here star hash 0 star hash, then now you will see here. Okay, so now is start here. Okay, automatically start. Okay, you can see here. So now what will happen on phone is going is ask for allow. Now if I allow, so it's going restart your phone, is going on setting, then is automatically restart. Let me show you. Allow. So on you can see here is removing. Okay, so now it's going on setting automatically. My hand is here, you can see here. So you can see automatically it's going restart. You can see there is bottom, my phone is, as you can see on here, FRP remove successfully. My hand is here, so it's automatically get on. You can see. So is that was job totally done. So now phone is done. So what is take time to restart your phone? Just 2 minutes. That's it. Totally is you can fix with this trick. Samsung, all mostly you can fix all Samsung series, and Android version is 10, Android version 11, Android version 12. So you can fix it. You can see here. Remove your cable. It's done. Done. Now my what was is remove is bypass. It's done. So simply you go on setting, remove, restart your phone. It's done now. So here is done. So you just go on setting and reset your phone. Please like and subscribe. If you need some help, so you leave your comment, I will respond to you soon possible. So see you next time. Bye bye, take care.